As the students struggle with weeks of lost instructional time, work is underway to get students in St. Elizabeth back inside the classroom. As Anthony Lugg reports, stakeholders have partnered in the parish to establish an intervention designed to keep learning alive.
At first glance, it looks like a picnic, but for scores of displaced students in Black River, St. Elizabeth, it's not the closest thing they have to a classroom. Most primary schools in Black River were either heavily damaged or completely. With learning brought to a halt, uncertainty is growing among teachers and parents, worried about how long children will be out of school. But now, a new effort is helping fill the gap.
The school will run for 3 days per week from Monday to Wednesday, and it will focus on 3 areas of life: literacy, numeracy, and also to teach them life skills. As you know, those are skills that they need to be able to function in society.
ECAT's mobile resource established a tent-based classroom in the parish this week, and the students' attendance continues to grow. Under the tents, teachers guide small groups through lessons using various techniques. For parents, it's a welcome return to routine.
Feel very good, because at least them come out and then can learn something, pick up from where they did leave, and it's very good. The 3-day program is very good. I wouldn't mind if it have a week of it and go over into next week.
It's not really hard, because the children were excited to come out. They were excited to see all that was happening. So they were excited. So it wasn't easy. It wasn't hard to get them into it.
With rebuilding efforts expected to stretch for months, the tent classrooms are proving to be a crucial bridge, keeping children engaged and easing the long-term effects of educational disruption caused by Hurricane Melissa. However, Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Southwestern Floyd Green says partnerships will be critical.
We'll do this as much as it is necessary while our schools get back up and running. It's not a replacement, it's not a substitute, but it definitely fills this space while our schools get back together. It's an all hands on deck approach as we try to ensure that our children don't have much learning loss during this time.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.